Farmers have announced to block all the toll plazas in Haryana from 10 am ahead of another meeting of protesting farmer unions where a formal decision on the centre's invite for the resumption of stalled talks is likely to be taken. The discussion comes after the government's latest letter inviting them for talks, with some of them indicating that they may decide to resume their dialogue with the centre to find a solution to the ongoing deadlock over the three contentious agricultural laws. An official in the Union Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare also said that the government was expecting the next round of meetings to take place in the next 2 to 3 days. One of the protesting union leaders, who did not wish to be named, said that their demand for a legal guarantee on minimum support price will, however, remain the same. In recent panchayat elections in states like Rajasthan, Assam and Jammu and Kashmir, farmers have given a thumbs up to the agricultural reform laws, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said in his virtual address to the farmers across the country on Friday, minutes after releasing a financial aid of Rs 18,000 crore from the PM Kisan scheme to 9 crore farmers. Modi said that in the past few days in several states from Assam to Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir, panchayat elections have taken place in which mostly rural areas come out to vote. In other words, these are elections in which farmers' voice is heard. Despite so much propaganda, wherever elections have taken place, people have rejected those running this movement against the farm laws. They have voiced their support through their ballots, Modi said. He also slammed Mamata Banerjee and said that West Bengal farmers are not getting the benefit of these central schemes. He also said that those who do not talk about West Bengal farmers and their problems are protesting in Delhi against farm laws. The slum-dominated Dharavi area of Mumbai did not report a single coronavirus infection in the last 24 hours, a civic official said on Friday evening. For the first time since April 1st, when the first coronavirus patient was detected in the area, which is among the densest urban settlements in the world, no new case has been detected. The caseload of Dharavi now stands at 3,788, though the number of active cases is 12, 8 of them in home isolation and 4 in COVID care center. So far, 3,464 people have recovered in Dharavi, where 6.5 lakh people are crammed into shanty colonies spread over 2.5 square kilometers. Superstar Rajinikanth, who was admitted to a corporate hospital here with severe fluctuation in blood pressure on Friday, is being monitored closely and medications to control his blood pressure are being carefully titrated, Apollo Hospital said. The 70-year-old will undergo further investigations on Saturday. The actor's daughter is with him. He is stable and is resting. Family and treating doctors have requested all well-wishers to avoid visiting the hospital as he is not being allowed to meet any visitors, the hospital said. A Boston physician said he developed a severe allergic reaction minutes after receiving Moderna's coronavirus vaccine on Thursday in the first week of the nationwide rollout of the company's shots in the US. The case was the first of its kind reported to be linked to Moderna's vaccine. Federal agencies are investigating at least 6 cases involving people who suffered anaphylaxis after receiving the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, which contains similar ingredients, during the first few weeks of its distribution in the United States.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.